think I should make a little video on how nasty this truck is. Should I? I feel like I should. Like, what the f is this? Like, look at it. Like, bruh. Ugh. Ugh. What the? Why? Like, just ain't even no telling what that is. I'm spit up, chewed out. No, I know it's crazy. I've been blowing it out for about 30 minutes now. I'm still on the driver's side. We almost done the driver's side, but I mean, oh, we got some more food back here? Oh yeah, I'm about to eat that. Juicy, baby, juicy. Like, brother, how long has this tortilla chip been in here? Ain't no queso or salsa here, just I've got hair growing from it. I need a respirator blowing this dude's truck out. God damn. Ah, man. Come on. We're an hour and 20 minutes into blowing it out. Covered in sand, dirt. I'm gonna have to blow my mustache out before I eat lunch. We're getting there, I guess. The other side's driver's side's done blowing out. Once we're finished blowing it out, we're gonna extract all the fucking carpets, because no telling what's gonna come out of there. We'll see.